Hello and welcome. Bafana Bafana's fairy tale run at the 2026 FIFA World Cup has come to an end as they narrowly lost 1-0 to co-host Canada in the last 32-round clash at the LA Stadium on Sunday, the 28th of June 2026, through a goal by Stefan Estacio. Bafana Bafana coach Hugo Broos made just one change from the side that defeated South Korea in the final match of Group A. The starting lineup was a pretty attacking one with Ron Williams, Khuliso Mudau, Mbekezeli Mbokazi, Ime Ocon, Aubrey Mudiba, Siphephelo Sithole, Teboho Mokoena, Relebohile Mofokeng, Ozwin Apolis, Thapelo Maseko, and Evidence Makgopa. So in this starting lineup, Hugo Broos just made one change, with Teboho Mokoena coming in for Talente Mbatha. Remember, Mokoena was suspended for the game against South Korea, and now we return to the starting lineup in the place of Talente Mbatha. Canada controlled the proceedings in the halftime with possession and better goal-scoring chances. However, they couldn't break South African defense, and Bafana Bafana had one clear chance in the early stages but not threatening. And Bafana Bafana and Canada went to halftime as the scoreline was 0-0. And surprisingly, Hugo Broos made one change. He substituted Relebohile Mofokeng for Talente Mbatha, taking out an attacking midfielder for a central midfielder, while Canada remained unchanged. It remained to be seen whether Relebohile Mofokeng was injured because the substitution didn't make sense. Late in the match, Estacio scored the winning goal in the 90th minute to ensure that Canada wins the game. However, it was a brilliant performance from Bafana Bafana. They were amazing. Throughout the tournament, the spirit that they came with and the confidence, it was amazing. Mbekezeli Mbokazi and Ime Ocon were impressive in that central defense role, composed and very well positioned. So definitely Bafana Bafana should be proud of the performance that they have put here against Canada. We thought that the game would go to extra time. However, Canada scored just before extra time. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Bafana Bafana losing to Canada? Were you impressed with their performances? Let me hear your thoughts. Honestly, I was impressed. Bafana Bafana didn't have clear-cut chances just like Canada, but they played very well. They played with no fear. They played very well. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Bafana Bafana losing 1-0 to Canada? Did they make themselves proud? Remember, they made history already, going to the knockout stages of the FIFA World Cup for the first time in the country's history. So they should come back with their head held high. So siyaya Bafana Bafana siyaya. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.